Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of the Hoover oven. You can clean it with no hassle, it's easy to find the right settings, and it's perfect for pizzas. I'm going to head off to the lab where we can check out these features in more detail. It makes cleaning easy and it saves you from spending ages scrubbing away using lots of different cleaning products. It works by using nothing but steam power. It's great at removing grease and other burnt-on residue that you'd normally spend lots of time chipping away at. And then anything that is left, you simply need to wipe it away. Now let me show you how it works. You start by filling the base of the oven with 200 to 300 millilitres of water and then turn on the Hydro Easy Clean program. We popped a camera at the front so you could see the steam in action. Now not only does this cleaning program help get rid of those stubborn grease splatters effortlessly, it also saves your oven from potentially harmful chemicals, making it a far more environmentally friendly way to keep your oven clean. Now that the cleaning program's finished, you can wipe away the residue and your oven's all clean. It takes away the guesswork and it helps you get the best results by giving you the ideal cook settings for loads of different dishes. There's 12 different functions to choose from for whatever dish that you're making. It even gives you the perfect pizza at home, which means you can save money on takeaways. It has an actual pizza setting, which heats from both the top and the bottom, which means you get a nice crispy base and the top is gooey and melted. If you'd like more info on the Hoover oven, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.